Howdy audio gang, it's your buddy Andy from Mr. Yoo-Hoo coming at you with yet another sonic sensation. So hold on to your headphones because today we're unwrapping the mystery of the JBL Live Free 2. From playing peekaboo with what's inside the box, flexing its features at the gym, to a no-holds-barrel real-world showdown, we're serving a full audio buffet. So stay with us to find out if the JBL Live Free 2 is worth the moolah or if it's just another earbud in the cream. If you're vibing with our sound checks, give us a digital high five by smashing that like button, subscribing, because why wouldn't you, and ring a notification bell. And you just won a game of bingo. And if you're looking to snag a pair of these jewels, check out my description links. They'll lead you to Audio Nirvana and give us a little boost along the way. Again, as always guys, all your support is really, really appreciated. And for those of you itching to pad your wallets and dance in digital dollars, shimmy on over to our Freedom in Hours channel. It's like a backstage pass to wealth. And as you can see there, there's lots of different videos that can help guide you on your path to entrepreneurship. So click right here, have a look at it and check it out right now. But all right, enough of the money talk, time to slide back to our audio alley. Tighten your seatbelts because we're diving headfirst into the JBL Live Free 2 unboxing saga. Let's rock and roll on Mr. Yoo-Hoo! Okay, here we're taking a look at the JBL Live Free 2. Now as part of the JBL Live range as well, we did a video on our other channel about how to choose the best earbud. The Live range is the premium end of the JBL earbud range. As you can see, it's in pink today. There you can see the earbuds as well. Now this is the bud design, which I really like. Now we're going to go into a bit more detail about why these are actually very, very nice earbuds. So I'm going to start by popping them out and having a look. So there's the case to start with. Now it's a pebble case. So there it is just there. Isn't that nice? Pebble case just there. And there's the earbud shape. Let's go and take out the actual earbuds themselves so I can show you guys what that looks like too. So drum roll please. And there are the earbuds just there. Don't they look nice as well? Take them out. So I'm going to put that to the side just for a minute guys. And there you can see, so there's the tube design. So they sit on your ears like that. And that sits in your ears just there. Now the good thing about that is it gives good noise sealing as well. So you can't hear the environment around you. Now in the case, we pop them in there and it's magnetic as well. So you go pop that in there, see how that holds in there? And pop that one in there too. See how it doesn't move at all? Now the great thing with these is they've got incredible battery life. So you've got 35 hours. So you've got 7 hours in the buds, another 28 hours in the case as well. And they've got smart charging too. They've also got wireless charging as well. So you pop this on a wireless charger and it starts to charge for you straight away. Now the earbuds themselves, go look at a bit more detail, have 11mm drivers. So 11mm drivers is very, very good for earbuds. They also have the touch controls in, which we'll talk about. Now they also have 6 microphones in each earbud as well. So you've got 6 in each one, which means they're going to be very, very good for calling. And these use adaptive noise cancelling as well. So it actually adapts to noise around you with noise cancelling, which we'll talk a bit more about in the review. But you can see there, and they've also got dual connect as well. So you can do multi-point connections on different devices. But as you can see, they look very, very nice. And they feel very premium as well. And I guess that's a key thing. You want to have premium earbuds feeling premium. They've got the USB-C charging there as well if you need it. And again, just going back into the box, you have the instruction guides, instruction booklets, pretty standard for JBL. And you also have the different wingtips you can choose as well. So if you want to try them differently in your ears, you can do that. And you've got the charging cable there too. So, but as you can see, very, very nice pair of earbuds. And you can see why they have the premium feel to them. Anyway, let's go and jump in and actually try these on. So JBL Live Free 2, while being budget friendly, emanates quality and the premium feel JBL is renowned for. So these earbuds are a successor to the Live Free. And if our past experience with JBL are any indication, they've always upped the ante with every new release. So I'm going to go pop these now into my ears. And as you can see, you put them in there now and see how comfortable they fit. Now they don't move. And that's the thing. I've been using a lot of stick earbuds in the past, but these don't move at all. Now they're ergonomically designed. So they nestle into your ears so effortlessly, you might even forget they're there. Now I'm talking at the moment and I can't even hear my voice because of noise cancelling. So just like its predecessor, the controls are intuitively placed. Then you manage your tracks, calls, and even access voice assistants. So if you press there, you can change tracks, change songs, pause and play. If you go to this side, you can do your ambient aware, you can do your noise cancelling. You can also go and ask it to do, Google and Amazon Alexa. It'll actually will call it for you. So while you're on calls, these little babies actually will call you. So You're going for a run, you want to play different music, say, you know, listen to, I don't know, the Black Eyed Peas. Okay, Google, play the Black Eyed Peas. And it starts playing straight away. It's really good. Now, one key feature is JBL's pure bass sound as well. So these earbuds boast precision drivers that ensure an exhilarating audio journey. The bass is punchy, rich, and will surely resonate with the rhythm in your soul. I'd sound like a poet at the moment, don't I? They are really, really good. What about battery? Well, say no more with 10 hours from the earbuds, just there, and extra 20 hours from the case. You're sort of long haul. And if you're caught off guard, a quick 10-minute charge ensures you're not left in silence. So for about 10 minutes, you'll get about 2 hours of charge with these as well. It really is good. And these also come with wireless charging as well. So you can actually just pop them onto the wireless charger and they start charging for you as well. It really is good. So what about visually? Well, the JBL Live 3 2 screams sophistication. So it's available in a plethora of colors. And the earbuds with the charging case really do have JBL's look. And I like the earbuds as well. They look like little like beans as well. Not that I'm going to eat them anyway, but you know what Mr. Yoo-Hoo's like. One thing that really stood out with these as well is noise cancelling as well. So as you guys know, in today's bustling world, being immersed in your music without completely shutting out the environment can be very difficult. The JBL Live 3 2 is actually really, really good because it's actually got the active noise cancelling. So it's not left behind in the landscape. We're going to go test that in a minute so you guys can see how that works, but it is, you know, it's really, really good. And you've also got JBL's ambient aware and talk through technology as well. So give you an idea, ambient aware is, say you're out and about using earbuds, you pop them in your ears like so, you press the button and it reduces the noise so you can carry on a conversation with someone as well. So it works quite well. Quite good if you're jogging outside as well. You know, don't want to be run over by a car. It works quite well as well. So, you know, these are really, really good. And they also have what's called the adaptive noise cancelling too. Now, this is unique to active noise cancelling. Adaptive noise cancelling means it adapts to the environment around you, adapts to noise cancelling. So if you're in a gym or on a busy road, it picks up and changes it for you as well. It's really good. We'll test it out in a moment. It's also got talk through as well. So talk through, you tap this, lowers the music volume down, and you can start talking to people as well. So talk through is very, very good if you want to do a conversation. You don't have to worry about getting your phone out, pressing the button, answering a call. That can be, a real pain in the butt. But what I'll do now is kind of delve back into adaptive noise cancelling now. Now, as you can see, I'm using these on a busy bridge. Now, the great thing is with JBL's adaptive noise cancelling as well, it elevates these earbuds entirely. Now, JBL Live are the premium earbuds for JBL. Unlike standard noise cancelling that simply blocks out ambient sounds, adaptive noise cancelling is intelligent. So it constantly assesses the environment around you and adjusts its noise cancelling levels accordingly. So this means in quieter environments, the intensity of the noise cancellation might be reduced. So that allows for a more natural listening experience. So, if you've got ambient noise in the background, it doesn't matter. Compared to like a busy street where I am at the moment with cars zooming past, it ups the noise cancelling as well. So it doesn't compromise in the sound quality too, which I think is really, really good. Anyway, guys, what we're going to do now is we're going to go and actually put these to the sound test and you can see exactly how they sound. So let's go and look at it now.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain.
So as you can see in the sound test then, we tested out a number of different areas. So I've been listening to rock, pop, and dance. Starting with the dance music, the JBL Live 3 2 managed to capture the pulsating beats and electric nuances exceptionally well. The bass was deep and resonant without being overwhelming, allowing for those synthesized notes to really shine through. It made tracks feel alive, as if you're there right in the club. And I do, as you guys know, Mr. Yoo-Hoo, I do love my rock music. But transitioning across to rock, the earbuds showcased their versatility, the crispness of electric guitars, the robustness of the drums, and the clarity of vocals stood out. So whether it was a classic rock anthem like the Red Hot Chili Peppers or a modern rock hit, the JBL Live 3 2 really did deliver an immersive experience. And it really made you feel like you're almost in a live concert as well. So they're very, very good. And also pop music. So I know, guys, if you love a bit of Spice Girls, the earbuds handled the varied layers and dynamic range impressively. So whether it was the high-pitched notes or the rhythmic beats, the music was vibrant and every detail was audible. They sounded really good. And I use these at the gym, and I have to admit, probably out of all the earbuds I've used, the sound was reduced really well. You couldn't hear anything around you. And I also have 6 microphones in here as well. So 6 microphones also ensures that your voice is transmitted clearly. So I use it on phone calls, people could hear me. Even when I was using it on a busy street, people still couldn't hear me either. So they worked really, really well. So very, very impressive with these earbuds. And also a good thing with the IP water rating as well. So if you're caught outside, doing a run, starts raining, you guys are covered with these as well. They've also got video mode as well. So there's nothing more frustrating than having a lag between what you see and what you hear. So JBL's worked hard to make sure that if you're streaming the latest blockbuster, these keep up to it as well. So I actually was watching Star Wars, put these in my earbuds, in my ears, and they sounded really, really good as well. There was no lag at all, which is good. So you could put them in there and you could hear the pow, pow, pow all over. It was good. They also come with the latest Bluetooth, Bluetooth 5.2 as well. So they very, very good connection, very easy. Even in rooms, the connectivity I could hear from the other side of the house as well. So it was very, very good. Now with the IPX5 rating as well, as we spoke about earlier, heading outdoors, whether you go for a gym session or going for a sprint in the rain, they're fine. I actually got caught in the rain with these, would you believe? And, they work completely fine, which is good. So, guys, what would I say? So, wrap up, the JBL Live Free 2 beautifully amalgamates aesthetics, comfort, and performance. They're very comfortable earbuds, probably one of the comfortable I've worn, and are part of JBL's Premium Live range. You can also see our video on choosing the right JBL earbuds, which we've done previously by clicking here. And here's a bit of a video of it at the moment. So you could choose the different 3 levels, but these really are the premium ones. So if you're considering a new pair, the JBL Live Free 2 should definitely be on your radar. And also support us by purchasing through our links below. And do check out Freedom in Hours like we spoke about earlier. But guys, let me know what you think. I love the JBL Live Free 2, really good earbuds. And that's all for now. So Mr. Yoo signing off again. Stay groovy, stay musical, and remember to sing Mr. Yoo-hoo.